Today we're playing Supreme Dualistic Man. I'm ready. Wow, that was on one hit. What was that? What do you mean? What do you... I have no damage. I have damage, bro. Did you mean no damage? No damage, no savage. No damage, no savage. You'll die, I throw away if you not. If I have a fork, I knock you with the fork. I attack you with the fork. I have a fish that will attack you in one hit. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hey. This fish attack me today. This fish attack me today. But it's not attacking me. I have 0 health bar. Help me. But there's a chance to live. I will help my team today. I will help my team today. You can't attack me. You're just killing my team. Help me, help me, help me. I don't want to die. If my team died and we restarted, let's attack the minion team. If I attack it, he will die. The FPF is high. I will throw you to die. But you're not dying. I'm an immortal. I will help you. I will help you, don't attack. 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 Don't attack, just chill out somewhere. Can you please don't attack? If you don't attack, are you immortal or not? Why are you not killing? Why are you not dying? I will. My health is 75 now. Oops, that's my points, not my health. You can beat my best friend or my team. That's not my best friend. That's my team. You can stop me. You can't. Just attack me. Just attack me. Just go through. I'm on one hit. Why I am not? Why did he die? Huh? Why did he die? But I will attack him. I will attack my team. Not my team. Then I got one. Then I got 1 meal. Then I got 373 points. by the 66 money, because 100 plus 200 equals 300, or 100 plus 100 equals 300, plus 73 equals 373. That's the question.